Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off continue running background extension and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed, go to your Microsoft Edge browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. In left side pane, you will find an option system and preferences. Click on system and preferences. You will find an option here continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. By default it's turned on. Just click here to turn it on, and you may start up boost. Get to browsing quickly. When this is on, it helps Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. You can turn it on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.